Section 9C, Preparation and Responsibilities. 9.10, Individual Responsibilities. Preparing for promotion testing is an individual responsibility. All promotion-eligible individuals must know their eligibility status, maintain specialty and military qualifications, initiate a self-study plan, obtain all applicable study references as outlined in the Enlisted Promotion References and Requirements Catalog, EPRRC. Ensure their selection folder is accurate if it will be reviewed by the Central Evaluation Board, and be prepared to test on the beginning of the testing window. The importance of individual responsibility cannot be overemphasized. Members who will be unavailable during the entire testing cycle must be prepared to test prior to their departure, even if that is before the first day of the testing cycle. Airmen may opt to test early, provided the correction test booklets are available. 9.11 Enlisted Promotion Test Compromise. Airmen must use a self-initiated program of individual study and effort under the Weighted Airman Promotion System, WAPS. Group study, 2 or more people, for the purposes of enlisted promotion testing is strictly prohibited. This prohibition protects the integrity of the promotion testing program by ensuring promotion test scores are a reflection of each member's individual knowledge. Enlisted personnel who violate these prohibitions are subject to prosecution under Article 92 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice for violating a lawful general regulation. Conviction can result in a dishonorable discharge, forfeiture of all pay and allowances, and confinement for up to 2 years. Information concerning enlisted promotion test compromise is contained in AFI 36-2605 Air Force Military Personnel Testing System. Note: training designed to improve general military knowledge does not constitute group study as long as the intent of the training is not to study for promotion tests. Likewise, training to improve general study habits or test-taking skills is permissible if the training does not focus on preparing for promotion tests. Restrictions on group study. Restrictions on group study and additional specific test compromise situations regarding promotion tests are briefly covered here. Discussing promotion test content with anyone other than the test control officer or test examiner is prohibited. Written inquiries or complaints about a test are handled by the test control officer. Sharing pretests or lists of test questions recalled from a current or previous promotion test, personal study materials underlined or highlighted in study reference material, and commercial study guides with other individuals is prohibited. Placing commercial study guide software on government computers is prohibited. While airmen may use commercial study materials in preparation for promotion testing, the Air Force does not recommend, endorse, or support commercial study guides. Creating, storing, or transferring personal study notes on government computers is prohibited. Government computers may only be used to view electronic versions of official study references. 9.12 Distribution of Enlisted Promotion Test Study References. The Barnes Center for Enlisted Education, Air Force Career Development Academy, is responsible for providing promotion-eligible members access to WAPS career development courses. They are available online at http://cdc.aetc.af.mil/. The site is updated to coincide with release of the EPRRC. Study materials such as instructions, manuals, or technical orders are made available online at http://www.epublishing.af.mil or other approved repositories. Individuals may ask unit WAPS monitors to order study reference material listed in the catalog that is not locally available. According to AFI 36-2605, promotion-eligible airmen must have access to reference materials at least 60 days before the scheduled test date. If not, the airman may request a delay in testing. 9.13 Promotion Eligibility Cutoff Date. The Promotion Eligibility Cutoff Date, PECD, is used to determine airman promotion eligibility as well as the cutoff date that will determine when contents of the selection folder and information on promotion evaluation briefs must be updated and complete. The PECD is the date that promotion criteria is considered for promotion, such as the data provided on the data verification brief that is used for promotion board evaluation consideration. For SNCOs, this information is then used to post the SNCO evaluation brief filed in the SNCO selection folder. Promotion criteria. As the Air Force continues to offer opportunities for career broadening and special duty assignments, it is important to mention that individuals with a reporting identifier or special duty identifier designated as their Control Air Force Specialty Code, AFSC, on the PECD will compete within that reporting identifier or special duty identifier. Otherwise, Master Sergeants being considered for promotion to Senior Master Sergeant will compete for promotion in the superintendent level of the Control AFSC they held as of the PECD. Likewise, Senior Master Sergeants being considered for promotion to Chief Master Sergeant will compete for promotion in the Chief Enlisted Manager Code of the Control AFSC they held as of the PECD. 9.14 Data Verification Record. The Data Verification Record, DVR, is the document utilized for promotion consideration and is the most important tool to review to ensure information on a promotion record is complete. All eligible airmen must review their DVR in the Automated Records Management System Personnel Records Display Application, ARMS, PRDA. If an error or omission is noted, the airman must immediately contact his or her military personnel flight for assistance. The military personnel flight will update the military personnel data system with the correct data and update the DVR on virtual military personnel flight. Airmen should review the updated record to verify changes that have been completed accurately. Data reflected on the DVR should not be confused with the data verification brief or a single unit retrieval format, commonly referred to as SURF. Data Verification Record Review Steps. Access the Air Force portal. Access PRDA. Under My Sections, select PRDA. The selection folder category within PRDA is the As Is record. The board category within PRDA is the As Met record.